Snip, snap. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I think we are going to be giving myself a little bit of a haircut. Now, as you guys can see, I have very thick, blunt, straight across bangs. I've had bangs for about 9 or so months now, I'm pretty sure. Almost a year with bangs. Like, am I in a midlife crisis or what? And I did, in fact, cut my bangs myself, and just gradually over the last few months, I've been taking like more and more hair and pulling it forward to make them like super thick. So I do like the thickness of my bangs, and I'm not quite ready to let my bangs go, because usually I'll have bangs for a while and then I'll just, change my mind and grow them out and not have them. Well, I'm not ready to let my bangs go, but what I am ready for is a change. And what kind of change? No, we're not doing baby bangs. Unless this goes horribly wrong, then yes, we will be doing baby bangs. But today, I'm going to attempt to cut my hair and give myself V bangs. If you guys do not know what V bangs are, I have been like oddly obsessed with them lately. Let me just show you a picture. So here is a picture of the first one that I got off of Google, but here are what V bangs look like. And I have just been like, I don't know, I've been obsessed with V bangs lately, and I was considering a while ago giving myself V bangs, and then I just never did it. We're gonna try it today. Hopefully this doesn't go wrong. Nobody knows that I'm doing this, so everyone who sees me is gonna be like, what in God's name did you do to yourself? Why not give myself some V-bangs, And why not turn the camera on and record myself giving myself V-bangs? Brad Mondo, if you're watching this,
roast me.
No, seriously, I don't think Brad Mondo will see this or do a video on this. I highly doubt it, but if he does, welcome to my shit show. Okay, so I did look at a few pictures. I watched a few tutorials on how to do this, and a lot of people wet their bangs first. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drench this comb, and I'm going to drench my bangs, and then we're gonna cut them wet. And the one thing you wanna keep in mind is if you cut your hair wet, it is going to be shorter when it dries, okay? So if you guys are, for whatever reason, hopefully you're not, but if you're following along with me, just keep that in mind, okay? Just if you're gonna cut your hair wet, just know it's gonna be shorter when it dries, okay? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wet my hair. This is a look, isn't it? Okay, so I think really the only way to do this is just go in. Obviously, we are going to be creating an angle, so, because you kind of want it to be like a V. So if I just make these little impressions in my hair, it's kind of what we're going for. This is going to be quite a dramatic change, okay? This is going to be fucking just wild. But I've always wanted to do this, and the best thing about hair is, it grows back. So it's not the end of the world. I can't believe I'm doing this. I've never done anything like this before. So we're gonna comb, and then after each time we cut hair off, you're gonna wanna comb again, okay? You don't just wanna comb once and then start chopping. So we're gonna start here. Yes. And I'm not gonna cut too much off. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's too late to turn back now. Okay. There it is. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. Why am I closing my eyes? That's a horrible idea, Bree. Shit. And you want to stop when you get to the center, because you really want to like accentuate that V. Does it look good? Definitely gonna need a shower and a vacuum after this, because there's hair all over my table. Also, these are not kitchen scissors. These are shears. I got them off of Amazon. I just typed in like small hair cutting shears and this is what came up and I bought them. And they have like a bunch of baby hairs. It's like I keep like this is all baby hair that just doesn't ever seem to grow past that length. So typically I will like smooth this out with like hairspray or something. But that's why it looks so weird. I'm just going in and kind of like trying to sharpen up that V a little bit more. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go blow dry this, get it nice and dry. We're gonna fluff it up and we're gonna come back and we're gonna do some of the finishing touches. Now I'm trying to get it so it's like comes to like a perfect V, but I feel like I'm really struggling with that. So let me just go blow dry it and we can see what it looks like dry. So okay, and we're back. The hair is dry. So now that it's dry, obviously you can see that we still have some cutting to do. Just make it nice and sharp. The amount of hair. What am I doing? I feel like V-bangs are like liquid eyeliner because you're trying to like them even on both sides, you know? So it's just kind of like one of those things where it's like, is it even? Is it not? Like, hello? Like I could literally cut out my hair for like hours. I'm not even kidding. And I'm sure after I like shower and, you know, have everything nice and clean and brushed out and stuff, I'm sure there will be like little spots. Oh my God, I just cut way too much off. It's a pretty defined V, I guess you could say. Ooh. Okay, so I guess it's like a good thing that I cut too much off because now I'm finally starting to see like, I wasn't gonna go like this dramatic for my first time, but I'm not mad at it. Like I was just gonna do like a little baby V, but then I was like, it's not dramatic enough. I need to cut more off. Okay guys, so here are what the bangs look like. They are very, very dramatic. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think it's like, I like them, but I wish they were a little bit cleaner. You know, like I almost wish I had some clippers so I could just like, you know what I mean? So I could like really get them nice and sharp. But I think if I play with them for a few days and just kind of like train my hair to lay a certain way, I think it'll look a lot better. But it's definitely different, something that I've definitely never done before. Like I feel like I can't get these fucking lines straight and I just keep like cutting at them. Addams Family-esque, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I guess it's not too bad. I guess it's just gonna take like some getting used to and kind of like just some finessing, but like, see what I mean? I can't get these lines straight, you know? So I don't know if it's just how my hair lays. Like I feel like every time I brush them, there's just new hair that just pops up out of nowhere. Yeah, guys, that was me giving myself some V-bangs. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I might just end up giving myself like some baby bangs and just let them kind of like grow out and do their thing. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cut my hair. I am itchy beyond belief. I need to go take a shower. I need to rinse all this hair out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it. I mean, it kind of looks like, it kind of looks right? I don't know. Oh my lord. If you guys enjoyed watching me butcher and cut my hair, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. You don't want to miss out on any more of my lovely mistakes. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you all and thanks again for watching. Bye. Mwah.